Everyone thinks the best-selling smart garden kits are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, a Hope Garden hydroponics system. Let's kick things off with the Hope Garden hydroponics growing system. Priced at $47.48, this little gem caught my eye because of its smart temperature and humidity display. If you want an easy way to grow fresh herbs right in your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a low water alarm that flashes red when the water level dips below 1 liter, so you won't forget to refill. The smart monitoring screen makes it easy to check the environment, ensuring your herbs get the right conditions. Plus, it has a massive 3-liter water tank, which is perfect for busy folks who want to minimize maintenance. The LED grow light even mimics sunlight and promotes growth faster than traditional soil planting, up to 300% faster. Now, some people complained about the lack of included seeds, which can be a minor hassle. But here's the thing, this gives you the freedom to choose exactly what you want to grow, making it a personalized experience. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to add fresh herbs to your meals quickly. Skip this one if you want a large garden, as it's designed for smaller spaces. For the price, it's a solid investment into your kitchen garden. Now, if the lack of seeds in the Hope Garden bothered you, this next one from your walk might just be what you need.
Product number 2, UREC Hydroponics Growing System. We have the UREC Hydroponics Growing System, priced at $39.99. I was impressed by its quiet, smart water pump and the fact that it grows plants 5 times faster than soil. If you're looking for fresh herbs and veggies without the noise, this could be a great option. What stands out here is the 24-watt LED grow light, which can be adjusted to maximize photosynthesis and helps your plants thrive even in low light conditions. The system has a water shortage indicator, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to water, making it super user-friendly. It runs on a 30-minute cycle, continuously oxygenating the roots, which is crucial for healthy plant development. However, some users found the setup process a bit confusing, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward. Plus, once your plants are growing, it mostly runs itself. This is perfect for you if you want a low-maintenance way to grow fresh herbs and vegetables right in your kitchen. Skip it if you prefer a more complicated setup or want to grow larger plants. Overall, it's a great value for the price. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list takes a completely different approach with app control.
Product number 3, LetPot Hydronics System. Let's talk about the LetPot Hydronics Growing System, priced at $52.35. What really caught my attention was its app control feature, which allows you to manage your garden right from your smartphone. If you want to take tech to the next level in your indoor gardening, this is worth considering. The LetPot system accelerates plant growth by up to 300% compared to traditional methods, which is amazing. With a 24-watt full-spectrum LED light and customizable light modes, you can tweak the settings to fit the growth phase of your plants, whether they are herbs or veggies. The water level alerts are another great feature that help ensure your plants are always hydrated. But here's the thing. Some reviews pointed out that the app can be glitchy at times. While it can be frustrating, once you have your settings dialed in, the convenience is hard to beat. This is perfect for tech-savvy individuals who want to grow fresh produce with minimal effort. Skip this if you're not into using apps for gardening. It's a bit of a learning curve. For the features you get, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if the tech aspect seems overwhelming, the next product might be more straightforward for you.
Product number 4, a Hope Garden 12 Pods Hydroponics Growing System, priced at $56.95. This one really grabbed my attention with its promise of 300% faster growth compared to soil planting. If you're serious about maximizing your indoor gardening results, this is definitely worth a look. With a 5-liter water tank and a low water alarm, this system keeps your plants hydrated with minimal hassle. The full-spectrum LED lights simulate natural sunlight, ensuring your plants get optimal conditions for growth. Plus, the adjustable light post means you can accommodate plants of different heights easily. However, I did notice some complaints about its size. Some users found it a bit bulky for their counter space. But here's the thing. If you're serious about growing a variety of herbs and veggies, the extra space may be worth it for the yield you get. This is perfect for anyone looking to grow a diverse garden of herbs and veggies at home.
Skip this if you have very limited counter space, as it does take up some room. Overall, it offers great value for serious indoor gardeners. Now, if you're really into maximizing space, check out this last product, which is designed for larger grows.
Product number 5, Altron Hydroponic System. We have the Altron Smart Hydroponics Growing System, priced at $84.53. This one's interesting because it features a 15-pod capacity and a 36-watt LED grow light, perfect for bigger harvests. If you're ready to really dive into indoor gardening, this could be a strong contender. Its adjustable height of up to 30 inches allows for plenty of growth without limiting your choices. The smart app control makes monitoring easy, and the quiet water pump ensures you can garden without the noise. Plus, the quick setup means you can get started almost immediately. However, the price point is a bit higher than the others, which may not suit everyone's budget. But honestly, if you're serious about growing a lot of plants, the investment could pay off with the yield you'll get. This is perfect for families or individuals looking to produce a variety of herbs and vegetables year-round. Skip this one if you're just looking to dabble in gardening, as it might be more than you need. Overall, it's a great investment for dedicated gardeners.
So there you have it. From the compact Hopa Garden to the spacious Altron, each smart garden kit offers unique benefits. Depending on your space, budget, and gardening goals, there's definitely something here for everyone. Happy gardening this summer!